Hello everyone, this is Drax, a transformer type of mech. This is what it looks like from the side. Then at the back with two exhausts here. Then underneath we can see the visible mech parts. We got the spine, arms, legs, head, and chest. In car mode, one minifigure can sit in the middle. And to start transforming, let's get him out of the way. Let's slightly move the top here. Is connected to a 2x2 tile with two studs. Then we can clip the doors back on. Okay, and let's lower the top back for now. So to transform, let's move the left arm here upwards. We can rotate this ball joint like this. And let's do that for the other arm as well. Okay. Then extend the chest. Then unclip the doors. These clips actually hold everything together when in car mode. Then pull the legs back. Then bring the wheels inwards. And push down a little bit. Let's do it for the other side. Okay. Then rotate the legs outwards so the wheels face outside. Alright, so that's all we have to do for the legs. Now let's fix the spine. Let's work on this ball joint here. We'll rotate this entire thing here so the legs will be facing forwards. Spread these arms a little bit. Then push this ball joint down, like so. This will make enough space for our pilot to sit in. Then push the legs outwards by moving the ball joints here. Let's fix this up a bit. So we're done transforming the bottom half. Let's work on the chest here. Let's get these clips out. Rotate this downwards. These clips will actually hold everything together when in robot mode. And open the latch here so we can get the head out. Simply push it upwards, like so. Then bend the spine here, bring it forward. We may need to make a few adjustments here so we can get these clips hooked to the lower torso, like this. Then this other clip too. Then rotate the head. Then close the latch. In robot only mode, bring the clips inwards and push the front chest lower, like so. Let's fix this up a bit. Then lower the head pieces here, which are actually tilted up when in car mode. Okay, then rotate the hands here so the thumbs are facing forward. Alright, let's bring the head down here a little bit to make it look cooler. Then on the back, rotate the doors downward. Then lower the top as well. Then there we go, we are done. Let's fix it up a little bit. In pilot mode, to bring our pilot in, unclip these clips here. Then push the chest up a little bit so our pilot can fit in. Our pilot can then sit on top of this 1x2 plate here. Then open the top latch, pull it downwards. Then we can connect these clips back to these bars. You can snap it forwards or slide from the side. Okay, so once snapped, you can lower this hatch here. Let's fix this up a little bit. Some pieces here can get pushed while doing the transformation. Okay, so that's it. To connect the weapons, just lower the hand here like so. Then we can connect it to the stud here. And do so for the other side, so we can connect the sword weapon. Lower the hand. Okay, let's bring this elbow up. Then connect it to the stud here as well. And there we go. So it's completely poseable. And let's give it a little spin. Oops. Here's what it looks like from the back. Okay, so at this scale, Drax perfectly fits right with our mechs from our Breca universe. That's it. Thanks for watching. Keep on building.